Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my PM recap for the US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro dollar did make a pretty decent move up today. Now, we have to keep in mind that the trend is up on the very high time frames, and I still think that there is a good chance this is the end of a correction, the end of a pullback on the daily time frame, which means it's probably going to take out the previous highs. So, I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs unless some other reason occurs. I think there's a pretty good chance that this is a 1, 2, 3, so there's a very good likelihood that we will continue to get these higher highs, higher lows, probably taking out the previous highs on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.